No more pencils, no more books, no more teachers' dirty looks. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, The Baking Diva. Well, I'm sure that's what you hear a lot of kids yell out when school is out before summer vacation begins. But right about now, all the kids are getting ready to go back to school. And it doesn't matter if it's elementary school, high school, college, you're going for your master's, it doesn't matter. What's one thing that everybody needs when they go to school? Well, yes, it's a pencil. Everybody needs pencils. So I thought today I would do a fun little video for you. I mean, we can make store-bought cookies into little pencils. When the kids go back to school, you can put them in their lunchbox, or when the kids are going away to college, you can make them a little tin of them. They're loved by young and old alike, and everybody, I think it'll put a smile on everybody's face. So what do you say we get started? This is going to be a short one. So let's get started, and if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you do so now, because you won't want to miss all these crazy fun things I have coming up. So there's no baking involved in this. What are you going to need? Well, you're going to need these vanilla wafers. Now, this is the Wortman Bakery brand. I think they're pretty good. They've apparently been making these cookies, it says, since 1951. You can buy these in any of the food stores. And if you want to go in a less expensive direction, I know they sell these in the dollar store. Not this brand, but they do sell them. And what do these look like? Well, they look like this. They're little rectangular shaped wafers. And they have icing in the middle. It says baked with real vanilla, no artificial colors or flavors, and no high fructose corn syrup. So how are we going to make these into pencils? So easy. First of all, you're going to need a knife. And on the top of the cookie, we're going to put slits because we want to make it into a point, like a triangle. So let me do that for you now. It's so simple. You just go like this, push it aside, and you go like this. And what do you have? It's already starting to shape. Look at that. Like a pencil, right? So you can make as many as you want. And what you're going to do next is you're going to melt some white chocolate. You can either use the white wafers. These happen to be the little Ghirardelli white morsels. And I just melted it in my microwave. And keep your eye on it. Do it like 30 seconds. And, then stir it and keep checking on it because you don't want it to burn. At, maybe 10, 15-minute intervals. Then I took some more white and I tinted it with some of my pink gel coloring. I like the pink the best. I like the gel the best, but you can use anything you want. See, we have a nice pink color. Alrighty, so I'm going to put my pink here and my white right next to it. And here, I have little chocolate morsels. You can use the minis or you can use the regular ones, whichever ones you like best on your pencil. Alright, so let me take a few of these out. And I'm going to cut them into a pencil shape. And you saw how easy it was. I happen to be using a little serrated steak knife, but whatever works for you. You don't have to press too hard because you don't want to break your cookie. So let me see how this goes. We did one. Let me try another one right over here. Very easy. And just go to a point. You see that? So simple. Takes a second to do. All right, so let me do a couple of more of these off camera, and then I'll show you how we put our pencil together. And like I said, these could be for young and old alike. Everybody likes these cookies. They even sell the cookies in different colors, and I think they have a strawberry, and I've seen a chocolate, but for the pencils, I'm going with the vanilla. And you can even have little kids make these. You can do the cutting, and with a little supervision, they can do the rest. So let me just do a couple more of these, and I'll show you how great these are going to look. All right, and now what we're going to do is we are going to take our wafer that's sort of shaped like a pencil, and with the pink chocolate or candy milk, I'm going to dip the bottom portion in because that's going to be the eraser. So let me do that now. So simple. You can do it with just dip it in, or you can put it on with a spoon or whatever your little heart desires. And I'm just going to shake it off a little bit on the end. There we go. And there you go. Now you have your pink eraser on the bottom of the pencil. Next, I'm going to turn it upside down the other way, and I'm going to dip some of the white chocolate in there. So let me do that now. All right. Just let it drip off a little bit. I mean, this couldn't be any easier. And I love doing all kinds of fun stuff like this. So now you have your eraser and the top of your pencil. So you want to make it look more like a pencil? Take your little chocolate morsel. Now this happens to be, I have big and small in here. If you want to make a bigger one, let me see. I don't know if I like the bigger ones. Well, yeah, maybe. Just put it right on top, and there's your pencil. Isn't that adorable? And I'll put close-ups in. And then I put it down on wax paper till the chocolate dries. Want to get that morsel right up on the tip. Now let's try one with a smaller chocolate morsel and see. So first I'm going to do my eraser on the bottom. Just dip it in the pink chocolate. There we go. You can put it on one side or both sides of the wafer. That's up to you. I'm going to let it drip off. Okay. There we go. Alrighty, see that? Now I'm going to dip the white in. Now my grandson said to me, "Grandma, haven't you ever seen pencils?" No, I haven't. But they're not white on the top. But we're making these white for the sake of the cookie. If we made them like yellow, it might not show up that well on the, cream colored cookie. So here we go. So there we have the eraser and the top of the pencil. So let me try a tiny one and see if I think that looks any better. I don't know. You have to just fool around with it. You can actually put that down on your paper first and then put the pencil point on it. I don't know. I think the small one looks better, to be honest with you. Yeah, I think the mini one looks better. But you can use whatever one you want. So you get the hang of it, right? I'm sure, I think in some parts of the country, kids have already gone back to school already. I know we're in New Jersey. They don't go back. I think it's till, maybe right after Labor Day. So I'm going to make my pink eraser. Just like this. Alrighty. So easy, right? And these are absolutely adorable. I mean, think about putting these in your kid's lunchbox in a little baggie. You can even surprise them. They open up their lunchbox and see these little cookie pencils. And it's a great hack because you're starting off with a cookie that's already made and you don't have to bake it. So here we go. Yeah, that's going to be my suggestion. Put this down on your wax paper first. Let me wipe my hand here. And then take your little chocolate morsel I definitely think the small ones look much better. I'm going to take that big one right off there because I don't like it. Maybe I'll eat it. So anyway, I'm going to do the rest of them off camera. I'll do a little taste testing for you in a few minutes. And I just want to thank you so much for visiting my channel and for watching. I wanted to get this little recipe in before school starts. Just look at these adorable pencils. Let me get closer. Look at that. They're so cute. You get about 30 cookies in a package. And I have them on the wax paper now. This is my first part, and they're drying. They don't take long for the chocolate to set at all. So in a minute, we're going to do a taste testing. So cute. Thank you all for tuning into my channel, and especially to those who have subscribed. I can't tell you how much I appreciate it. I've been doing this for a while, and I'm a small YouTuber, but I have a lot of fun doing it, and I couldn't do it without you. Oh my God, these look so cute. So anyway, stay tuned. I'll be back in a few minutes to show you what these babies look like, these pencils on a platter, and we'll taste one for you. So don't go away. There you have it. That's how we make our cookie pencils. 3 ingredients. The cookie, let me pick one up here. The cookie, the chocolate, and the little chocolate morsel. That's all there is to it. And they are adorable. So I have inserted some close-ups in there for you. I mean, really. 3 ingredients, and 1, 2, 3, you're done. And how adorable. And look, the chocolate is already set. Didn't take long at all. Imagine the kids finding these in their lunch boxes. Or I think they would be adorable making, like I said, a big tin of these for your son or daughter who's going away to college. So now comes the best part. I'm gonna bite into one of these babies. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Which one shall I pick? This one. And here's our eraser. And here's our pencil point. And this little chocolate is our lead. So here we go. What do I want to chew first? Should I bite the eraser? No, I'm gonna bite the top off. Well, I like these vanilla wafers anyway. So of course I'm gonna like them with a little chocolate added to them. So definitely give these a try. So cute. You'll put a smile on someone's face. And if you're not already a subscriber of mine, I'd love to have you. I'm doing a series now on sheet pan dinners. And in between, I like to put a little bit of this and a little bit of that. So we have a little bit of everything on my channel. So all you have to do is hit that subscribe. So thank you all for watching. I'm going to pass these babies around and see who in my family wants to taste one. So have a great weekend. And I appreciate each and every one of you. I really, really do. So for now, I'm going to eat my cookies and I'll see you soon. Toodles! So good.